Have you ever run into the problem that you want to pull text from an image? Well, in today's 1 Minute Wednesday, we're going to be taking a look at an app that lets you pull text from photos and videos easily. And that's Text Sniper. Text Sniper is an app that's available for purchase from Mac computers for a flat price of $7.99. Let's see how it works. I've gone ahead and I've searched for quotes in Google, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to head up to my toolbar and select my Text Sniper. I'm then going to click on Capture Text. You can see that we have some screen capture options. I'm going to go ahead and click and drag just as if I was taking a screen grab. I can then go into any text program, Word, Pages, or Notes, but I'm going to go use Text Edit. Now, I paste. I have the same options for video and infographics. This makes it so much easier to grab any text that you need.